Here we come to the elevators at the School of Public Health at UNC Chapel Hill. I think this might be a Southern as well. I think. 4. Interesting GAL fixtures. Installed in 1988. Unfortunately, I can't hear the motor. Phone. Oh, that chime on the other elevator car. We gotta get that one. 1R. These doors are rough. I think this is a Southern, but I'm not sure. Gotta be a Southern elevator. I typically don't see GAL vandal-resistant fixtures these days. I've seen a lot of those fixtures from New York City. We're gonna send this away, and I wanna get the other car. That goes outside. I can hear the other elevator car coming down. All right, I think this elevator car is coming. Oh, now the indicator rings. Okay, nice. And this one doesn't have a fan, so we can hear the motor. Love that chime. There's your phone. You want to ring the chime. Oh, no, I called the other one. Okay. Okay, let's see which one gets called so I can capture the indicator lantern lighting up. This gotta be Southern. Nice. Okay. We'll go ahead and watch it close, and that is going to be it. This is an interesting elevator configuration. There it goes, and that's it.